Let's cook. Beans and hot dogs are kids' play. Let's make beans and sausage. Start with very plain baked beans. I have some breakfast sausages that need to get used up. Let's cut them into pieces. Some red pepper cut into pieces. I would love it if you'd like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Some onion cut into pieces. And some cherry tomatoes. We'll start with a bit of oil in the pan. Get the onions frying. Add the peppers. Add the sausages. Let's get those well cooked, turning them several times. Add the cut up tomato. Add paprika or chili powder. And now the beans. Plain baked beans are best to highlight the sausage flavor. Stir and stir again to spread the flavor around. Starting to look amazing. And there you have it. Baked beans ahoy.